In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Slack with Microsoft Teams so you can place Microsoft Teams calls directly from Slack. This setup is perfect for teams that use Slack for messaging but rely on Microsoft Teams for meetings and calls. By the end of this video, you'll have both tools working together smoothly, saving time and reducing app switching. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more software how-to guides like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Slack and make sure you're logged into the workspace where you want to enable the integration. From your Slack dashboard, go to the Channels section or your main workspace area. Once you're there, look at the left sidebar. Scroll down until you see the option labeled More. Click on More to expand additional options available in Slack. From the expanded menu, click on Tools. This will open up Slack's tools and management options, where you can manage workflows, apps, and integrations. Inside the Tools section, find and click on Apps. This is where Slack allows you to connect third-party apps and services to your workspace. When the Apps page opens, look for the option that says Open in Slack Marketplace. Click on that, and Slack will redirect you to the Slack App Marketplace in your browser or a new window. Now that you're in the Slack Marketplace, go to the search bar at the top, type in Microsoft, and wait for the search results to load. From the list of results, look for Microsoft Teams Calls. This is the official integration that allows you to start Teams calls directly from Slack. Click on Microsoft Teams Calls to open the app's details page. On this page, you'll see information about what the app does, how it works, and what permissions it needs. When you're ready, click on the Add to Slack button. Slack will now ask you to review the permissions required for the integration. Take a moment to read through them so you understand what access you're granting. Once everything looks good, continue with the setup process and follow the on-screen prompts. Depending on your organization, you may need to sign in with your Microsoft account and approve the connection between Slack and Microsoft Teams. After the setup is complete, the Microsoft Teams Calls app will be added to your Slack workspace. You can now start Microsoft Teams calls directly from Slack channels or conversations, making collaboration faster and more seamless for your team. That's it. You've successfully integrated Slack with Microsoft Teams. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.